I got a message online from Abby and Tyler that they have these hideous doors, bifold doors that they want replaced. Well, I happen to have the barn door experts, Tennessee Barn Doors. Lance and Steve are gonna help us out. And I also have my crew here from Whitestone, Phil, Romalie, and Chris. We are gonna take care of all their problems, and this is gonna be beautiful. This is the punch list on drewandjonathan.com.
Hi, I'm Abby.
I'm Tyler.
And this is the project we need help with, these awful brown doors. So these go to our storage unit, laundry area, and extra refrigerator. There is not even a knob on here. We have painted this room, but these doors have stayed forever. Well, Tyler has been busy helping other people find their dream home. He's a realtor, and he has neglected our own home.
Get home, I get tired. I'm just not sure what to do, and I think that's why I've been putting it off.
We just want some beautiful barn doors to finish out this room. Please help us. Jonathan, we have seen your work, Brother vs. Brother, Property Brothers, and we know you can make this room beautiful and help us finish this project that is haunting us. We need you now.
We need it.
It is like late and they have no idea it's actually me showing up at the door. So either we're gonna get shot or we're gonna have some problems to fix. Hello.
Oh my gosh!
Hi, how are you?
You're here?
Middle of the night, I like to show up at people's doorsteps.
No way!
How are you? Give me a hug.
Hi!
Nice to meet you.
Oh my goodness!
How are you?
You're
Hey.
actually here!
Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you. Yeah, surprise.
Oh.
I actually
This is great.
brought my entire team out here because I heard you guys have these ugly bifold doors.
Oh my goodness, they're awful!
Oh my gosh. My crew's here, Whitestone. We've got Tennessee Barn Doors. Everybody's here because we want to fix your problem.
Oh, thank you!
Do I get a happy dance or something? Show me the doors.
All
Take me
right.
to the doors.
Come on, come on.
This is the best surprise ever!
Clean space.
Here are our doors.
You don't even have a handle.
No.
You're missing a knob on
No.
that.
And so this leads to our laundry area.
Can I
And
peek?
we
Are
have...
there any tidy whities that I shouldn't see?
No, it's okay.
Probably. There might
Maybe
be.
actually.
Uh-huh. Okay, well I can see why you want to close this off because you, oh, this
Yes.
one doesn't even open.
Yeah.
Barely
Yeah,
open.
that one's a little tough.
Okay.
And we have an extra fridge here, and we have a pool, so we entertain all the time. And all our friends are coming in and out of here, and I'm like,
Trying to open the
Okay.
doors and
this
Well,
is
that's
so
no good.
exciting.
That's no good at all. You know
Yeah.
what? This is going to be the easiest fix of all time.
Really?
And wait until you see the door that we have.
You have one here?
Oh, we're doing it all right now. It's happening.
What?
Yeah.
Did you know?
So throw in a load of laundry because before it's done, this will be done.
No way!
You guys want to grab all the tools and the doors and
Oh,
everything?
yes.
You cool with that?
Oh, I'm
Crazy,
cool with
yeah.
that.
Yeah, cool with
Oh,
that.
thank you!
Tear your place apart here. You ever install doors to a little bit of music? What do you think of these?
Oh my
Look at that.
Oh my.
Custom doors.
Oh!
We're gonna
Those
take
look
them in there.
amazing.
Who do you think worked the hardest?
You need me to
Yeah, thank you very much for all your help.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. How does it feel now that you have something this beautiful?
These are amazing. I
These are
couldn't have asked
incredible.
for better barn doors. I'm so happy.
Aren't you glad you opened your door this late at night?
I am. We let a lot of strangers in.
We
so-
also want to give you a little surprise, a little special.
Oh, thank you.
All the tools you need, maybe not to do barn doors, but everything else you need around the house. This is not a project that you could have taken on your own anyway. We needed the pros to do it, and they did a beautiful job. You happy?
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
Contractor high.
Yay, thank you.
This is what I'm talking about. If you have problems, hit us up on social media. Tell us your punch list items, and I may show up on your doorstep when it's pitch black outside. All right?